today Jabari and I were going to Jamaica. Jay, say hey to the vlogs.
Hello.
He's busy with my phone. So guys, I'm not gonna even go into it, but I'm telling you, another experience, a bad one. This time it is with Caribbean Airlines, but trust me, I don't have the strength to get into it. I'm so tired. I am so tired, right? But I'm not gonna allow that to dampen my spirit. I'm just gonna ignore it and get on with this flight. So yeah, we're heading to Jamaica right now. We're waiting on our flight. We're just seated in the airport. Can't wait for this time to pass by. So we should be boarding very soon. Jabari, he's ignoring you guys today. I'm not sure why. Alright guys, so we check back in as soon as we start boarding and when we're on the flight. So see you all later. Jabari's getting comfy. He's taking his jacket off, which I'm having trouble with. So my dear friend, I'm not going to call her name, she works with the airline and she upgraded my flight to first class. So we will be flying first class today. I'm really tired, like extremely tired. And I'm gonna sleep throughout this entire flight, so I might not be vlogging, but definitely guys, we will be vlogging when we get to Jamaica. Yeah? Jabari is already ready for bed. He's not playing, right? He's ready. He's ready to go to bed.
Got my pillow.
Okay? Got his pillow. Yeah, so we here guys.
Take my shoes off.
We'll do bits and pieces.
That's too much.
Yeah, it is. So now take your shoes off.
Too tight though.
Alright guys, I'll check back in.
Hello everyone. On behalf of the Caribbean Airlines team, welcome aboard. I am sure that you will agree that safety is extreme.
So we're taking off now, guys.
Jabari, Are you happy to be in Jamaica? You tired? Huh?
The opposition leader as the head of Venezuela.
Might see them boy out, you know.
I understand symbolism or whatever it is.
Coffee. Jabari want coffee. Song.
Something like this would
Jabari
work
want
because
coffee.
the opposition leader
Hey.
can fly out and go and sign deals and make treaties with other countries.
Mr. Ferguson!
If someone wants to do something in Venezuela,
How are you? I know you don't know who it is. This is your Uncle Jabari.
Is that Mr. Ferguson?
Okay guys, so we're in Clarendon Park right now. We're at Juicy Beef getting some food. Breakfast time. Kinda don't know. The little fling the flanga what they say we're getting a first class. Cho, that blow time a long time. Now I need some real food. I hope they have callaloo. I feel like I might eat callaloo or ackee and saltfish or something like that. What do you want, Jabari? What do you want to eat? They don't have no biscuit here, so. So what do you want? They probably have fried dumpling. You want fried dumpling? And
Well, there's Starbucks here now.
Starbucks? That's in. Wanna hear that, people? Jabari wants Starbucks. That's in Kingston. They have one, but it's. I don't know if it's in Montego Bay too, but I know for sure. Is it in Montego Bay too? Okay. So Montego Bay and Kingston, Jabari. None is in Manchester.
What be from?
Starbucks, yeah, brother.
Child, what were you seeing happening? Well, he worked in countries like Brazil. He worked. I mean,
Man, they're taking forever. We've been in this drive-through since forever.
What it was like coming from his country and what we needed to do as a nation to build. I think it's just our family.
Breakfast of champion. So I got callaloo, liver, pumpkin, banana, sweet potato, plantain, and a piece of yam.
Set a clear path for them. So that's what I mean by saying, making sure you know exactly.
Dirty bus man, now them a come down from the highway. You see them a dirty bus man, yeah?
Them must overtake, you know.
Them not fi overtake, them fi overtake and them not have the right. May I tell you, say, man? Them drive so crazy, yo. Look, guys, we have pretty blue skies. No snow. What are we at talk about? This is another famous red shop where you can get roast yam and saltfish. in Williamsville, the one of its kind in Jamaica. This has been here for many, many years. Many years. One of the old factory them from back in the days, don't uncle?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yes, almost reaching my little country now, people. I am in Manchester. Heading home.